Good job. Whoop, poke it in. Good boy. You might have to turn it around and hold it down lower. That's it. And then poke it in. Good work. Some more? Put all of these trees in, no. We're putting trees into the dough. Up you go. Trees in. Trees in. Trees in, Lucas. Trees in. Good job. Let's do some more. More trees in. Good work. That's it. Turn it to the right. Good job. 3 more. Well done. Push. Push. Good job. One more. Oh, deep, dark forest. Deep, dark forest with all the trees. Waiting. Can you take the trees out and put them back in the bag? Trees out. No, not dough. Trees. Trees out. Trees out. And put them in the bag. Good job. Trees out. No dough. This hand, Lucas. This one. Tree out. Good job. And in the bag.